To me, the yoga or meditation, it has always connected me to the creations of God. Our body system is the manifestation of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. A word Buddha Sudhi, Buddha means pancha bhutta, 5 elements, and sudhi means purifications. If we do master over the elements, we master over our mind, body, and soul. We always need to be connected with these 5 elements. That way we can achieve harmony and balance our life. It is always fascinating how universe, our mind, body, and soul work together. It's beyond our imagination. But as long as we realize, admire, and be grateful on union of every creations we see, we will mastery over our system. Till then, don't just be awake. Listen to the deeper guidance inside, remember inextricable connections, and embrace the journey. We are all together and we are all connected.